A wiki page post is quite different from the other types of posts you can submit in a community. When you create a new wiki page, you will actually create a new chapter in something known as a wiki tree. A wiki tree is basically a knowledge base that you can create for your specific community. You can create several main chapters, and each time you create a new wiki page, you will have to select whether it's supposed to be located on the default root page or whether it's supposed to be a sub-chapter to an existing page. By selecting the default root page and creating a new wiki page, you create the second main chapter in this specific wiki tree. That way you can organize the content under main chapters and sub-chapters. And if you select one of the main chapters and create a new wiki page, it will create a sub-chapter of that specific page. This way you can create a structure and organize the content of the wiki tree and thereby also the content of the knowledge base to make it easy for community members to find the content they need.